Hi, you're watching What When Wear TV. I'm Anam and today I'm going to show you how you can do a really simple DIY for a bow back and a crop top. Start with keeping your equipment ready, a top, a pair of scissors, a little bit of cardboard to stop it from tearing, a needle and a thread. I'm going to start with showing you that the baseline of the crop top is extremely important because that's what you're going to be cutting first. That's basically how you're going to get the entire crop look. So make sure you cut it nicely and also do the same thing at the back side. It doesn't necessarily have to be straight because it's a crop top, so hey, you can go crazy. The elasticized base is basically what's really important because it helps you tie something later on, which I'm going to show you in just a little bit. So at the back of your top, you need to put in a piece of cardboard which helps you not tear up the front as well. Identify the space, which is where you're going to be making the cuts. Create a small hole with the help of your scissors, which you then turn into making a line out of it, which is basically going to be the first line of the two you're going to be making for making the bow. Turn your top over so it helps you kind of equally make a line on both sides. Try to keep this as straight as possible, but it's okay to go a little haywire. That's why it's a DIY. Make the same kind of line, leaving a little bit of space. Just as long as they are parallel, it's fine. You don't have to be very specific about the width. Take the previously cut strand of cloth and bring it over to this little patch. Tie up the little center that you now have, like you can see, and just kind of wrap it around it. It might not be as neat as you like for it to be. I know this is not as neat as I would like for mine to be, but hey, it's our first try, so it's okay. And with the help of a needle and a thread, just kind of sew it all up and let it be in place. The neater, the better. Once you do this, you can, kind of shorten the length a little more from the front for the top to give it the more croppy look where it's short in the front and longer at the back. The whole uneven thing is really stylish. And you can give it that same rough edge for the sleeves as well. I've taken a really old tank top of mine that I don't mind experimenting with. And there you go, your crop top is ready. It has a really cute bow back. This cool top will go with anything in your wardrobe, so happy styling! Thanks for watching!